Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to explain how to solve EJU Mathematics 2019 first session, course 1, number 5, which come from part 3. You can check link on the description box below if you want to watch another solution on this paper, or check my EJU playlist for another paper. Okay? In this question, we have m and n that are positive integers, and then consider the rational number r, which is equals to m over 3 plus n over 7. The objective of this question is we want to find m and n such that r less than square root of 2 and r is closest to square root of 2. It is sufficient that amongst all m's and n's which are satisfying the inequalities blah blah blah, and we find the m and n such that blah 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 is closest to blah blah blah. So first of all, since r is less than square root of 2 and then r is this expression, so I can write down m over 3 plus n over 7 is less than square root of 2. Just substitute r into this condition. And then if I multiply all the sides by 21, which is the common vector of 3 and 7, we will get m over 3 times 21, which is 7m, plus n over 7 times 21, we got 3n, less than 21 square root, sorry, this is not 21, yeah, this is 2, my bad, this is 2, square root of 2 times 21, we got 21 square root of 2. So I already get our A, B, C, and D. A is equals to 7, and then B is equals to 3, C and D is 21. And then squaring both sides of 1, this is equation 1, we have blah blah blah. So we need to squaring both sides of this equation. For the left hand side, I can simply write 7m plus 3n being squared like this. 7m plus 3n squared less than 21 square root of 2 square, it becomes 21 square times 2. Square it both sides, yeah? We square it both sides. And then if I calculate 21 square times 2, 21 square is 441 times 2, we got 882. So 7m plus 3n squared is less than 882. From this expression, I already get E, F, and G, which is 882. 882. And then here, the greatest square number, which is smaller than EFG, EFG is this, is blah 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 and equals to blah 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 square. So I want to find the greatest square number which is smaller than 882. As you can see, 882 is less than 900. 900 is 30 square. So I think the greatest square number, which is smaller than 882, it must be 29 square. If I calculate 29 times 29, we will get 126 8, 5. I got 1, 4, 8. So I think Hij is 841 and KL is 29. This is the greatest square number which is less than 882. So 841 for Hij and then KL is 29. And then, so let us consider the equation AM plus BN equals to KL. Our A is 7, B is 3, yeah? So now I have 7M plus 3N is equals to KL, which is 29. Transforming this equation, we have N equals to blah blah blah. If you see from this expression, we want to isolate M. So from this equation, if I want to isolate N, just move 7M to the right hand side. Then I get 3N is equals to 29 minus 7M. 29 minus 7M. And then divide by 3 on both sides. We will obtain N equals to 29 minus 7M over 3. From this expression, I think we already get MNO and B. MN is 29 and then O is 7, P is 3. Since N is an integer, N and M are both positive integers. Since N is an integer, then Mn minus Om, which is 29 minus 7M, is a multiple of blah blah blah. If we want to get N as an integer, so 29 minus 7M, which is the numerator of this fraction, must be multiple of 3. If 29 minus 7M is not multiple of 3, then our N is not an integer. So, since N an integer, then 29 minus 7M is a multiple of 3. This is my Q. And then thus we obtain M equals to blah 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 and N equals to blah blah blah. To find the value of M and N, I will use trial and error method. We already know that M and N are both integers. And then we already know that 29 minus 7M is a multiple of 3. So if M equals to 1, 29 minus 7 times 1, 7 times 1 is 7, is equals to 22. 22 is not multiple of 3. So I think M is not equals to 1. And then I will try another number for M. Let's say M is equals to 2. I got 29 minus 14. 29 minus 14 is equals to 15. And of course, 15 is a multiple of 3. So I think M is equals to 2. If you try to find another number for M, let's say M is equals to 3, you will get 29 minus 21 is equals to 8. 8 is not multiple of 3, so M can be 3. It can be 3. And then if M is 4 and so on, I think you will not get the result is a multiple of 3. So I think the correct answer is M equals to 2. After you got the value of m, I think it is easy to find m. N is equals to 29 minus 7 times 2 over 3. Then n is equals to 15 over 3. We got 5. This is our n. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.